In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Chrome browser in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do it on literally Windows 10, Windows 11, anything like that. Now, Google Chrome by default isn't actually going to be installed on your PC. So you're going to have Microsoft Edge as your default browser, since that's what Windows mainly wants you to be using. So all you want to do is type in Edge on the search bar, then go over to Microsoft Edge right here. Now, once you're here, all you want to go ahead and do is I'm just going to go over and type in google.com like so, and then I'm just going to press accept, but we're still on Microsoft Edge. So what I want to do is type in download Chrome like this, and you're going to see download Chrome as the very first option. Now, all you want to do is press download Chrome here, and then it's going to run the installer. Now, once you go ahead and do that, all you got to go ahead and do is it's going to ask you if you want to make your main browser, your default browser, and Google Chrome should just open up once you've installed it. And then what I can do is go to search right here, and then I can go to default apps. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then I'm just going to choose my default browser, like Google Chrome. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.